Hi, and welcome back to mathematics class. Today we're going to be talking about representation of numbers. So, student, look at me. You raise your hand up like this. Start from your right hand and start counting numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's go on to the lesson today. So today we'll be talking about matching representations to 10. Let's take a look at the warm-up on page 12. How can you quickly figure out how many fingers are raised without counting each one? I know there are 10 fingers on 2 ends. 3 fingers are down, so it is 3 less than 10. And that is 7. So the fingers raised is 7. So we write 7 in Indo-Arabic here. And also in Thai, so I want all the students to write 7 in Thai. Write it here in your book. Now let's go on to the workout. 1A, write the Indo-Arabic and Thai numerals to match the number of fingers that are raised. So the first one, I'm going to write the Indo-Arabic only. And I want the student to write both Indo-Arabics and Thai numerals. So part A, 4, let's write it together. That's 4. Please write it in your student journal. Part B, how many fingers are raised? That's 8, that's correct. So we write 8 here. And write the Thai numeral here. C, how many fingers are raised? 4 less than 10, which is 6. So we write 6 here. And please write the Thai numerals here. Part D, 5 fingers are raised, that's correct. So we write 5 here. Part E, how many fingers are raised? Can you tell me? That's correct, 10. And the Thai numeral will be here. Now, part F, how many fingers are raised? 1, that's correct. So we write 1 here. And please write the Thai numerals as well. Now let's continue with the workout. Number 2. Write the Indo-Arabic and Thai numerals to match the number of blocks you count. The first one is given. So part A, we have 7 blocks. So we write 7. And please write the time numerals here. Part B, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write 9 here. And the time numeral as well. Part C, how many blocks can you see? That's correct, 3. So we write 3 here. And the time numeral will follow suit. Part D, 2, that's correct. Write the time numeral. Part E, how many can you count? Please count it and tell me. That's 10, that's correct. So we write 10 here. Part F, how many can you count? That's 6, that's correct. So we write 6 here. Number 3, write the Indo-Arabic and Thai numerals to match the number of dots on each card. So part A is being given 9. Write the time numeral there too, please. Part B, 2. So write it 2. And the time numeral will be here. Part C, we write 1. Part D, what do we have here? That's correct, 6. Part E, how many dots do we have here? 7, that's correct. Part F, how many dots do we have here? 8, that's correct. So we write 8 and the time numeral. Next one, the fast finishers. Draw a picture of some blocks and then write the Indo-Arabic and Thai numerals to match. So I want you to do this in your student journal, page 13. Do it yourself, please. Now let's go on to the practice. The practice is 1.3. Please do 1.3. Page 3 as well, okay? Page 3. I will do the first one for you. Count the objects, write the matching Indo-Arabic and Thai numeral. For example, part A, we can see 3 fingers are raised. So we write 3 here. And the Thai numerals will be here. So please do the rest and take a picture of it, send it to the group line. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel and have a beautiful day. Bye.